it just started up. So, yeah, it's a 2.5 ton Carrier starting up. And it's actually really quiet. So, there is a bad storm coming in. There's that LG. There's a big unit over there. That's a big LG. Oh yeah, those lines are nice and cold and sweaty, and I think the thermostat's set to 79 degrees Fahrenheit. Model number 38TGO 30300, serial number 4089E04684, 2.5 ton unit from the 40th week of 1989. And the house is about 1,500 square feet. It's got a finished basement, but the basement just has one vent supply and one return. And, yeah, the unit doesn't have enough vents, so it does an okay job of cooling. Now we'll go take a look at the furnace. There's a 1995 Carrier Weathermaker 9200 unit.